Welcome to Research Rocks, and today's video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a teleprompter. Now I am also thinking I will make a long length video and explain too much information to audience. The teleprompter are supporting smartphone, tablet and DSLR. So I have three of them. That perspective I am purchasing this teleprompter, and that teleprompter name is a Desview Teleprompter T2. Link is available on video description if you really like this product, so you can purchase on this particular link. So now we will see unboxing of this product. Before unboxing, I will tell you I am purchasing this product from Amazon, 103 euro, around as Indian currency around 8 to 9,000 INR. So we will see unboxing of this product and which types of product we are receiving, and after I will show you the demo also how I fix with my DSLR. So let's start as unboxing. So as usual, this is a magic booklet. Definitely I need this today because of I have no experience about this teleprompter, how to use and how to fix. The box number 1, box number 2, and this is our teleprompter, hope so, probably, and that's it. Now box is empty. Yes. So look at this, the 3 box. This is the main product of our. You can very easily fix here your DSLR or camera related. Now I will show you how to do this one. This is the one part, and this is our remote control. You can very easily deal with your story. So the remote is very nice, and here okay, back up, all options are available. Here you need to purchase 2 batteries also, so we can do that. Now I just simply open. So many things in the box. This one is smartphone or tablet. You can fix proper location. Okay. This one is also for the tablet. That one is a smartphone. They are providing some screws, cleaner, and one small screwdriver. Okay, now time to fix. How to fix this one? So this is a magic booklet. Entire output come like this. So I have no idea. Okay, here is a push. First of all, I will check. So this is a way to you can record very easily. Now I fix DSLR. So look at this guys, all rings are not matched in my DSLR like a Canon M50 Mark II, but this one is a match like a 49mm, and backside such kind of cushion related features they are providing, and some small lens is available. So here some of the small cushions are available. Look at this those cushions are helpful for mobiles also. Look at this here in the camera. But if you have like in iPhone, so those one is not helpful. Android phone, those cushions are helpful, so you can very easily put it here, this cushion as a backside, and then use. So now I will fix DSLR to this one. So look at this guys, DSLR in my hand, and this is a teleprompter. It's easy. Now I fix this teleprompter on that particular. So look at this is a final outcome. I just put it here, some of the story in my iPhone, and exactly looking this here, and backside you can very easily record this directly on there. This is my chair, and you can very easily record screen. That is the beauty of this teleprompter, and teleprompter price is really affordable and fantastic. This is a simple unboxing video related on teleprompter. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video, and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.